Hey guys, William Murphy here. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to another video on the 2025 Goodwood Festival of Speed. When you were a child, did you have that one go-to poster car? Now, for me, I did. Although I'm a little bit older in my car appreciation than maybe I should have been. Because back in 1989 when I was born, I didn't have a poster on the wall then. But later on, I did have a poster on my wall. And no, it's not this Lamborghini. It is in fact the Ferrari F40. That is it's just a wonderful, wonderful car. And today I've been up close and personal with it so I can get a closer look and share it with you guys, this amazing, incredible vehicle. 1989 Ferrari F40, and it's here for the world to see. And I'm in so close that if I wanted to, I could go and touch it. I'm not going to though, because it's not my car. But let's dive in and take a closer look at this incredible car that is the same age as me. And if I'm being completely honest, one of us has aged somewhat better than the other. And it isn't me.
The Ferrari F40 isn't just a car, it's a legend. Unveiled in 1987 to mark Ferrari's 40th anniversary, it was the last model personally signed off by Enzo Ferrari before his passing. That alone makes it sacred in the car world. Originally planned for just 400 units, demand pushed Ferrari to build 1,311 cars totaling between 1987 and 1992. Lightweight, brutal, and built purely for speed, the F40 became the ultimate expression for 80s excess, and a permanent icon. Some fun facts on the Ferrari F40. No power steering, no traction control, and no ABS, just raw driving experience and skill. With the 2.9-litre twin-turbo V8 engine producing 471 brake horsepower and top speeds of 201 miles per hour, it was the first road car to break the 200-mile-an-hour barrier. 0 to 60 in 3.8 seconds and weighing 1,100 kilos. Built using carbon fibre, Kevlar and aluminium, extreme materials for the era, and every F40 left the factory in Rosso Corsa, which is that signature red colour. Air conditioning was optional on the cars, and barely functional even when fitted. Also, the Ferrari F40 was the first production Ferrari to come standard with a fixed rear spoiler integrated into the design. Previous models like the 308, the 328, the 512BB and the Testarossa, they either had no rear wing or a very small lip spoiler. The F40's spoiler was functional, designed for aerodynamics and high-speed stability. And it was integral to its racing-inspired lightweight construction. F40s have exploded in value. As of 2025, top condition examples demand £2 to £3 million, with ultra-low mileage examples often fetching far more at auction. Only around 1,000 F40s are thought to have survived, but most are either hidden in collections or maintained by true enthusiasts. The F40 is the ultimate Ferrari for many. No frills, no filters, just lightweight engineering, turbocharged power, and a chassis that rewards bravery. It's the last analogue Ferrari supercar born before electronics took over. To this day, the Ferrari F40 isn't just a dream car, it's the definition of dream car. Many argue it's the most iconic supercar ever built, and honestly, they're probably right.
So yes, it is dusty. Yes, it is very hot, and probably not the nicest of cars to drive in this ever. But oh my, what a vehicle. What an absolute honour to be up close and personal with this F40 Ferrari. I absolutely adore it. So that is the stuff dreams are made of. Incredible. So, I hope you've enjoyed this little snippet into the F40. I don't have access to the engine bay or to the interior, but I couldn't not do a little video on this car. It's one of my all-time favourites, and it's there, just in the flesh. And it's an absolute pleasure to be in its presence. So, thank you for watching. Thank you for leaving your comments down below what you think about this. What is your all-time dream car that you think, do you know what? One day, if I won the lottery, I could and would buy. It's either that or a 250 GTO for me. But, you know, I'm a classic guy, but that, 1989, same year as me, bellissimo. Anyway, thanks so much for watching. If you have enjoyed, hit the thumbs up button, comment down below, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any future content from Goodwood and other videos. But until next time, thanks for watching, and I will see you next time. Take it easy.